Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp in coconut sauce. First, let's get everything ready. You will need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, and some key aromatics. Take your shrimp and carefully peel and deveined them, but feel free to leave the tails on for a nice touch. Next, finely mince 2 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Having all your ingredients prepped makes cooking much smoother. Now let's build some incredible flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over a comfortable medium heat. Once warm, add your finely minced garlic and ginger, stirring constantly for about 1 minute until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, add your prepared shrimp to the skillet. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, as they can become tough. It is time to create that luscious coconut sauce. Pour 1 full can of rich, full-fat coconut milk directly into the skillet with your perfectly cooked shrimp. Next, stir in 1 generous tablespoon of red curry paste. This adds a fantastic depth of flavor. To balance the taste, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and a small pinch of salt. Let the sauce gently simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly, and for all the flavors to meld beautifully together. To finish this delightful dish, squeeze the juice of about 1/2 of a fresh lime over the entire skillet. This adds a wonderful brightness and cuts through the richness of the coconut. Garnish generously with some freshly chopped cilantro or sliced green onions for a pop of color and extra flavor. Serve this incredible shrimp in coconut sauce immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed jasmine rice or your favorite noodles. Enjoy this quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.